Okay, so I've done a couple pumpkins now. It's anywhere between probably 12 and 15 minutes on high that I've been microwaving them. I'm going to show you how to tell when they're done. Pull off the lid. It definitely smells pumpkin-y. You'll grab a fork and you'll see if it pokes easy. See how it's poking real easy? That means this one's done. So what I do is I transfer it onto a plate to cool it, because you're not going to want to touch it for a while. It's going to be crazy hot. And you can see this is the one I did earlier. It's clearly done because the skin peels off like nothing. So you just peel your skin right off. Peel our skin off. So when I said earlier we freeze 30 pumpkins, we freeze them in this format, the cooked pumpkin format. You don't freeze the whole pumpkin itself. That would ruin the pumpkin. So at that point, once it's cool, you're ready to freeze. We just freeze in the sour cream containers because one of these is about enough for a pie. We do the same thing. We freeze cherries, applesauce. We freeze so many things from our farm over the summer. But what we're going to do with this pumpkin is make a pumpkin roll. So I've got my measuring cup. We need 3/4 cup of pumpkin. So just kind of shove it in here and get about 3/4 cup. Oh, I'm sorry, 2/3 cup. I should have looked at my recipe. 2/3 cup pumpkin for our pumpkin roll. And I will be sending you all the recipe. Before I start making my pumpkin roll, I always get out the filling to kind of warm up. What I've got here in the filling container is 1 package of cream cheese, 4 tablespoons butter, 1 cup powdered sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla. And I just let that warm up while the pumpkin roll's baking, so it's room temperature by the time it's time to make that inside filling. All right, so we're ready to actually make the pumpkin roll itself. Our first step will be to put 3 eggs in here and beat our eggs for 5 minutes. So we'll probably cut the video because you don't want to watch me beat eggs for 5 minutes, and they'll be back shortly. Okay.